Learn and Fun with Dira, and today's video is all about how to make a unicorn pencil stand. So I know that you were getting bored in lockdown, so to keep you busy I came up with this video. So let's get started. So guys, you will need black pen, Fevicol, scissors, and you can take a container also, or you can just cut the bottle and use its bottom part. Okay guys, you will need pink glitter sheet, yellow, red and purple colored papers, white A4 sized sheet. Okay guys, so now we have to color the container or your bottle with the white paper and then stick it from the bottom. So we have covered it up. Now take your pink glitter sheet and draw a horn on it and cut it out. See guys, I am cutting it out. I have drew the horn, now I am cutting it out. You can also draw a horn and cut it out, or you can just cut it out directly. Okay guys, but I would recommend to draw and cut it out because that makes a more perfect shape. So guys, stick it on the inside of the stick on the inside of the container or of the container and the bottle, because guys, if you will stick outside, it will show the cutting area, it will show, so that will look bad. Okay guys, now put away the pink glitter sheet. Now take the yellow sheet and fold it, and then make a half flower on it. Okay guys, make one side half flower like I am making. You have to make a half flower. Guys, we have to make a half flower and then cut it out like I am cutting. Now we have to paste the flower as I am pasting. You can also use different colored papers, but these three color combinations are looking much better. Okay guys, now you have to stick the yellow flower below the horn, because the yellow one is it will be the biggest, so it will be in the center only. Okay, so guys, we have the little flowers will be smaller, like the red, and the flowers we will make from the red and purple will be smaller than the flower in the yellow one, made for the yellow one. Guys, do the same, but the flowers will be smaller. So draw, cut and paste. Draw, cut and paste. Okay guys, like that you have to draw, cut and paste. Draw, cut and paste. Draw, cut and paste. That's a kind of song. Now do the same with the purple. Draw, cut and paste. Very good. You're getting better at this. Draw, cut and paste. So now we are pasting. Apply glue on it and then paste it. Now draw some closed eyes on the unicorn, as I'm doing. Draw some eyes on the unicorn. Don't forget that they should be they should look like the unicorn has closed the eyes. Okay guys, and then also don't forget to make the eyelashes, because it looks much prettier with the eyelashes. Okay guys, so do the same with the other side. A unicorn can't have one eye. Or can it? I don't know, but make it two so that it does not look horror. Okay guys, now A unicorn crown is ready as well as the eyes. Now make a tiny little smile. And then guys, take your pink colored pencil. I forgot to tell you guys that, sorry. But take your pink colored pencil and make a swirl on the cheek side. Okay guys? You can make a swirl or just draw a circle and fill it up with pink color. You can do like that also, but I recommend that you do a swirl because like guys, swirls look much better. Do it on the both of the sides. In any way. But before we end this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos with all your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel and then comment down below how did you like my pencil stand. So bye bye.